I wish you could see me. I'm waiting for the workmen to arrive. You know, these things, it's just so mundane. It's enough to drive you insane. Oh, wait, he's here. He's here, I gotta go, okay? Bye-bye.
Where's the oven?
It's in there.
Thank God this week is over. Thank God it's Friday.
No, I hope you can fix it, because I think it's ridiculous that it's broken. So, you can be as quick as you can.
Well, obviously. But this is no toaster oven. We're playing with the big guns now. We're in the major leagues now, sister. I'll have to calibrate the release modules. Probably need a 1/4-inch counter compression. But I realize this is all Greek to you.
Greek to me? Yeah, well, I wish you could see me. Stuck here waiting for this workman to leave. Fine. No, I'm fine. I'm busy. I'm very busy. Now I'm doing various projects. I'm busy, very busy. Any progress?
Progress? Well, let's just say I've opened a whole can of worms here.
Look, surely you can fix it with all the tools that you have. Then I can pay you. And then you can go somewhere, like a saloon, and spend it.
What do you want me to say? I have to come back tomorrow. This thermodynamic overlay is acting up, I don't know. It's making this strange noise.
Noises? What noises? I haven't heard any noises. What noises?
Hissing noise. I don't know. It's a strange sound, but it's definitely a sign that something's broken. So I'll be back 3 o'clock Monday. How's that?
Well, I won't be here.
Well, you could have the super let me in. And maybe, you could leave a sandwich for me in the refrigerator.
Well, I don't like the sound of that. Make you a sandwich?
I don't know. You don't have to. It'd be nice.
Oh, all right. I'll be here.
I'll see you Monday then. Tidy bowl, man.
Well, it's about time. You're half an hour late. What happened to you?
I got in a fight at Julian's last night shooting pool. This guy took all of my money. Swear to God, he must have been cheating. I don't know.
Well, I'm really sorry to hear that.
Yeah.
Cheating at pool?
Yeah. Installed a release system. It's always iffy, but it's a healthy risk.
Well, just as long as it gets fixed.
Do I tell you how to do your job? Do I tell you what clothes to wear, what records to play?
Well, yesterday you just sat here.
I didn't just sit here yesterday. I wasn't just sitting here. By the way, my name is Carl. I figure I've been in your home, I'm in your house here, sitting in your kitchen, and then that's it. It's over forever. So my name is Carl. And, what would your name be?
My name's Carla.
Hey! Now how's that for a coincidence? That was my mother's name.
Yeah, that's really nice. Well, I won't bother you.
Say, Carla, I'm really starving. My fridge went on the blink last night and all my shit went bad. Damn, I'm hungry. I could sure go for a nice deviled ham.
Are you still just sitting there?
I'm not just sitting here, Carla.
Stop calling me by my name. I need this thing fixed. This is unbelievable.
I found out what the problem is. The regulation gasket. It's stripped smooth. It's gonna need replacement. I can get it tonight. Come back tomorrow.
You must be joking. If you don't fix it by tomorrow, I'm going to call the proper authorities.
See you tomorrow at 3. Boy, it smells like a wet dog outside.
Where are your tools?
This and this. They're all I'm gonna need. You know, I was thinking yesterday, I was sitting around the house alone, and I figured what I can do is just outthink this son of a bitch.
Where are your tools? One explanation.
I don't need this. I don't need that. Something. Sometimes if I need it, maybe not. I can't hear what you're saying. Did you say something to me?
No!
What?
No, I didn't say anything.
What? I can't hear what you're saying. I feel very lightheaded.
That's very reassuring. Very, very reassuring. Thank you so much for telling me that, asshole.
These painkillers. But listen, they don't affect my knowledge. They don't affect my skill. I like that to be clear. Just sometimes I hate everything. All I want to do is kill, kill, kill. Oh.
There sure are a lot of rats in this city.
Yeah.
You know, I was looking out the window the other night, like I always do, and I saw these things, and they came out of the sewer, and they're really disgusting. Like these big, horrible, ugly things, and trucks were smushing them in the street. It was really, really horrible.
Huh.
That's a bad sign, isn't it? Rats dying in the street?
Listen, when I grew up, the rats were as big as fucking dogs. We used to race them. Those were the days, man. If you wanted some action, something would happen, and you could get seriously hurt. So keep your nose clean, keep your eyes and your ears open. Always be looking over your shoulder and everything will turn out all right. Well, I believe it should work. I counter-combusted the chock vehicle which drives the trappings, you know. Those fittings, and then I jimmied the tumbler trigger for greater gas release. It was a little clogged up. And then I insulated any possible perforations with a shim against the rear panel. Any questions?
Well,
Now don't cook on it. Because that gas, that glue that I use, you know, is highly flammable. Cook on it. You'll be blown a mile into the air.
another day? That is ridiculous.
Well, look, here's my bill. And don't be leaving town. You know, Carla, if your oven doesn't break down again, we'll never ever see each other. Ever again.
The funny part is, Carl, I don't care.